How's it going?
Good, thank you.
So we now arrived at Smögendyk in Sweden. So you guys diving up here, I heard?
Yes, we do.
Ah, nice. Can you please show me around a little bit around your place? And yeah, it would be great to have a small little overview.
Absolutely. So at the moment we have a nudibranch course going on. So this is where they hang out. And they emptied all the buckets from yesterday, but you can see here all the species they found yesterday.
Oh, right. Yeah, they've just been out with the boat, right?
Yes.
Oh, nice. How many people fit on the boat, actually?
12.
12 people you can get on your boat. Nice. And so you do have quite a lot of diving spots around here that you go...
I can show you on the map.
Oh, yeah, let's follow.
Yeah. And one thing very important, ice cream box.
Of course.
So this is where we hang out, and this is where we serve breakfast and lunch and dinner.
Oh, yeah.
You can also just chill out and be here if it's cold outside.
So how's it going? People come here and they also can stay at your place, and they book a package for food and diving and all that?
And accommodation also.
And accommodation also, yeah, nice. So I'm keen to see the accommodation as well, but let's go quickly to the map and to see the diving
spots.
spots.
This is the map with the dive sites.
Yeah.
And this is where we are.
Yep.
And these are the dive sites.
All around up the coastline. Lots and lots of little islands and stuff to see. So what type of diving do you offer around here?
Nature dives.
Nature dives.
Yeah, we have so nice waters and so many species and full of life.
And do you dive all year around?
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So also in wintertime
Yeah.
you have... So I assume everything is cold water diving, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even in the summer.
Even in the summer? So what's the temperature like in the summer? The water temperature?
You can get like 20 on the surface, but then if you go down, it's still 10 degrees. If you go down to 30 meters.
Yeah.
So it's not warm.
No, it's not warm, but it has his specialties. I mean, it's a special place, of course. Yeah.
It is.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. So I see some diving equipment. So you offer courses as well?
We do, and we also have rental equipment.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess at the moment, but...
Oh, yeah, I mean, there are quite a lot of people at the moment. It's pretty busy here, which is good for you.
It is. And we have changing rooms, ladies and gentlemen, and also a sauna in between.
Ah, nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So 10 degrees water temperature, even in summertime, doesn't matter because you have a sauna. Nice one.
It's a bit windy today, so...
Oh, well, you have that when you live at the ocean.
So this is where you can get changed and ready for dive. And that's where the boat usually is, but the boat is out at the moment.
Yep.
But there's also fantastic diving from shore.
I already experienced that. It's really nice. You can just hop in from here and you have basically everything. And it's shallow, of course, but there's lots of stuff to see.
Lots and lots.
Yeah.
So don't... And lots of people, they say, no, we don't want to dive from land. We're like, come on, try it.
Well, I mean, I remember my first email contact with you, and I was like, doing shore diving all the time, no spot on the boat. And you're like, no, there's a lot to see, and now I know why. So this is the accommodation here? Yeah.
It's quite simple, but it's very, very near.
Yeah. Oh, nice, yeah. Perfect. So basically it's just about, let's count, 30 to 40 feet away from, from the shore.
And do you also want to see we have a dive map over the dives here at the shore?
Oh yeah, let's see that as well. How many people work here now?
At the moment it's 5 of us, but in the summer we're around 10-15.
Camera cleaning? Yeah. 5 to 15, oh yeah, that's... I mean, it is a huge base. You have lots of space and... yeah, there we have the map, yeah. All right. So that's just one area. We have here the dive center, and all around this place you can dive. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for
I
being
highly
here.
appreciate it. Bye bye.